रहीम प्यारे बच्चों आज ब्याख एनर्जी टॉपिक पढ़ुन यथ क्या नाव अथ नाव पेट्रोलियम पेट्रोलियम यह पेट्रोलियम एनर्जी रिसोर्सन मज यथ मज पढ़ो यह पेट्रोलियम गो क्या यह कत नेरान तो यह कत लगान जरूरत। The word petroleum comes from the Latin. The word petroleum comes from the Latin word petra, which means rock, and oleum means oil. So we can say petroleum is a rock oil. Petroleum is the product of natural change in organic materials over millions of years ago. Petroleum is formed by hydrocarbons with the addition other substance primarily sulfur. Originally, the primary use of petroleum was as a lighting fuel. It is flammable, yellow to black color mixture of gases, liquid and solid hydrocarbons that happen naturally under the Earth's surface. It can be divided into fractions including natural gas, gasoline, oil, kerosene, fuel, and paraffin wax and asphalt. Petroleum is energy stored deep in the earth by nature. This is a non-renewable energy source because petroleum supplies are limited. Petroleum supplies are limited and they draw on finite resources that will eventually dwindle. Petroleum includes crude oil, condensate and natural gas, which I already told you. It is primarily made of mixtures of hydrocarbons, compounds of carbon and hydrogen. Scientists believe petroleum hydrocarbons from the remains of tiny animals and plants that lived millions of years ago. How is petroleum formed? First stage, when the tiny organisms die. When the tiny organisms die in the sea, they sink to the bottom of the sea. They sink to the bottom of the sea and are mixed with mud and silt. After that, what happens? Bacteria removes most of the oxygen, nitrogen, phosphorus and sulfur, leaving mainly hydrogen and carbon. After that, lack of oxygen at the bottom of sea keeps the animals and plants from decaying completely. The partially decomposed organisms create a slimy mass which is then covered with layers of sediments. Over millions of years, many layers of sediment pile on top of the once living organisms. When the depth of burial reaches about 1 lakh feet, natural heat of the earth and intense pressure combine to act upon the mass. The end result over time is the formation of petroleum. Petroleum deposits are locked in porous rocks, almost like water is trapped in the wet sponge. when crude oil comes out of the ground, it can be seen as thin as water or as thick as tar. The first petroleum was drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1858. Early modern discoveries of petroleum relied on these small surface wells. In the United States, bores that were used for water began producing crude oil. At that time, petroleum was called coal oil. The discovery of petroleum eventually closed the 19th century whale oil industry. Petroleum and petroleum products are mainly used as motive power. It has a compact and convenient liquid fuel which has revolutionized transportation on land, in the air, and on water. It can be easily transported from the producing area to the consuming areas with the help of tankers and more conveniently, efficiently, and economically by pipelines. It emits very little smoke and leaves no ash and can be used up to the last drop. It provides the most important lubricating agents and is used as an important raw material for various petrochemical products. In India, petroleum is produced by number of states. For example, it is produced by the state Maharashtra, Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, and Arunachal Pradesh. Important places of Assam which produces the petroleum includes the Digboy field, Naharkatia field, Moran Hugrian field, Arunachal Moran Hugrian field. Yes, the places which produces the petroleum in the state of Gujarat includes Ankleshwar, Khambhat, Ahmedabad and Kalol field. Similarly, in this offshore oil fields includes Mumbai High, Basin, Allahabad, East Coast, etc. etc. As I already told you that this petroleum in India is produced by the state of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Assam, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and the state from where the petroleum was first of all reported in India was the state of this Assam. It was the state of Assam where from the petroleum was first reported.